What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope everybody had a wonderful day. It's been raining here, cats and dogs all day long, yeah. But I have to say, I picked up something for Papa Mach. Yeah, I know I haven't bought Papa Mach something in a long, long time, but this is due. This is something that I've been wanting to do, and I haven't done it. So let's turn this around and see what we got going on. So yeah, we got Papa Mach. No, we haven't put them away yet, but it's getting close. And we're going to put them in Kim's She Garage with her GT350 this year. And I'm going to leave the 21 over at my dad's with the 55. You know what I mean? So, but Papa Mach has got an automatic transmission. You see the automatic right there, which you guys all know this. And it's actually got a manual valve body in it. And that's something that I did, man, 40 years ago. And it's still the same trans, and this trans has worked and been good to us for a very long time. But it's just time to redo the trans. So I got on Marketplace today just to look to see if I could find something on sale. And I did. I found a transmission. Older gentleman got a 32 Deuce Coupe, and he bought a truck that a kid just got done rebuilding. He wrecked it. The guy bought it because he wanted the 351 Windsor for his Ford, his 32 Ford. And this was the trans that was attached to it. And the trans, they said, only had 1,000 miles on it. The fluid's good. Everything's good. This should slide right into the Mach 1 with no issues. And you can look. Yeah, that bag's leaking. I'm gonna have to do something about it. But that fluid's just as blood red as it can get, which is a good thing, right? That's what we want, ain't it? But it's leaking down there. I have to change that bag. But I just figured I'd give a little update on Papa Mach. And it's going to be an automatic again. I'm not doing manual shift. I'm not racing this car. I'm just enjoying it. So the best thing to do, put this trans in there. They said it's got 1,000 miles on it. And we're going to get her done. But that's going to be a winter project after we get the building built. And speaking of the building, let's turn this around. Alrighty. So, talked to the gentleman last week. He's getting ready to get all the permits and everything that I need to get this building put up in November. And I'm getting anxious. So the building should start going up here. I'm guessing right around the middle of November. He says he's been busy as heck, but they're pretty much caught up now. So it'll probably be a couple more weeks. Hey, you know, I'm not in no rush, but I am in a rush. You know what I mean? I want to get this thing done before I end up buying another car. Yeah, buddy, I don't need to do that right now either. Get the Fairmont done. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of put everything on hold right now. I might fart around with the Fairmont a little bit, I'm not sure. But I'm going to pretty much put everything on hold right now. And once this building gets put up and everything like that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Fairmont. I'm going to get it out of here. I'm going to put it over in the new building once it's up. Get that done. As long as there's no snow on the ground's still hard enough where I can get the car back there. And I'm going to put Papa Mach in the garage here. I'm going to put it up on jack stands, and I'm going to change that trans. Now, I'm going to tell you, back in the old days, I'm talking back in the 80s when I was a young man, I could change that trans in 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes. I could get in there and get it all done, get it, drop it down, put the other one back up there, run a couple bolts in there, hook everything up, and be back out to Telegraph having fun. Yeah, buddy. But so as of right now, I'm kind of like waiting on this building. Once this building gets put up, and then I got to do the electricity and get all that done. Yeah, so we got a lot to do still, but we're gonna get her done, man. I'm telling you right now, we're working on it. We're getting moving that way. You know what I mean? So anyhow, I just kind of giving you guys a little update on the building. And once they start building that building, the days that I am here, while they're building, I will get it on video. So anyhow, guys, I just figured I'd show you what's going on with Papa Mach. I got him a new transmission, and that's exactly what Papa Mach needed. Got exactly what he needed. So that way we can get out cruising and stuff like that, and I ain't got to keep shifting gears. And that trans is getting old. It's getting to the point now when I go to first, second, it's still kind of hard, not like it used to. And then I go to second in the drive, it kind of slips in. So it's time. And you know, you got a trans that's 40 some years old, right? Because I'm going to tell you why I had to pull the trans out so many times back in the day. It had an FMX in it. And I used to burn those FMXs up, man. So finally I went to a guy who says, you got to put a C6 in it. And that's what we did. We built it, put a C6 in it. And it's lasted since, I would say that was probably right around about 86 or 87 when I put that trans in that car. So that's a long time ago. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for stopping by, watching my video. As soon as we get that building put up, man, things are going to start happening for real. Yes, they are. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And like I said, you're awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Thanks for watching.